everyone, today we are going to review the Imaginarium mountain rock train table. It comes with over 100 pieces, and most of the pieces are wood and some of them are made of plastic, like this mountain, like the crane, and some other parts like the doors right here. Some of the bridge is made of wood. Something that we recommend is once you assemble all the pieces, try to glue them or screw them to the surface, because it's very easy for kids to move them over and knock them down. Here we have a little drawer that contains all our pieces. We've got here trains and characters and trees, and I'm going to show you in detail what we have. All the trains have this little magnet, so you can put all the trains together. They're also used for the bridge because there's a magnet detector and then there's sound effect. So it's pretty cool. So here's one character that we have. Here are all the characters. We have 5 characters. Very easy to use. They're not easy to knock them down. And here are all the trains. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trains. And we've got a few cars, a truck, a taxi, and the police car I actually got extra. So it's not part of this set. If you have Thomas Train, so it's a little bit hard to play with them because their wheels are not as wide as the track, but it's technically you can still play with them. Here, I'll show you. Let's try again. Well, you get the idea. Here we have more parts. Some of them are really small, so if your children are under 3, make sure to remove them. And here is the bridge sound effect that I promised you. Thank you for watching.